Hi, I'm Professor Rich, and I own 4 glasses. Which one shall I wear? I don't know! Get off my ass! Welcome to Questionable Science, where me and my class attempt to solve the impossible questions of the universe. Tonight, we discuss a problem I've often talked about with colleagues and students, and by often I mean once. What if sneezing were racist? Racism, or racisme as the French call it, was invented around Roman times in 54 AD, when the Christians raced against the Lions. No, not the Detroit Lions. Hi, class.
Hi, Professor Rich.
Yay. I'm here with the Unfocused group, where I formerly enrolled students, have outside-the-box ideas and get high with the ideas. It's all legal. Class, what is sneezing? Yes.
Professor, sneezing is the act of a sudden expulsion from air from one's nose. Basically, it's the reaction that occurs when irritation of one's nostrils.
Wow, nobody likes a smartass. But what if this sneezing were something other than irritation of the nose and were something psychological, like racism?
I don't know.
Think harder.
It could be more like a voluntary thing, like flicking someone off.
Uh-huh.
Like, to say that a group of KKK guys all are having a meeting together and they sneeze to show their hatred for blacks or Jews or gays.
He looked at me when he said gay.
'Cause you're gay.
Right. Even though I wasn't gay, I had to run away from the class to find more research and interview an expert on racism at Cal State Northridge.
What is racism in 2 words or less?
And 2 words or less?
No, I'm just kidding. 3 words.
Racism is as American as apple pie.
And I love apple pie, so I must be racist.
No, I love apple pie too, and I know I'm not racist. Racism is a preference by one group for its own members.
Right.
And the power to do something about their preference.
So there's a sort of action involved. Like, if
Must
I
be.
thought all Italians were good at mafia, would that be racist
No.
to think that?
What if sneezing were racist?
You're asking me whether that would be possible?
Yes.
You're not taught to sneeze.
So this theory that
I am not saying it's all wrong. I'm saying it's not even in the vicinity to consider it being right.
I can't believe I was right. The professor gave me hope to continue my quest on sneezing. I'm conducting an experiment where I sneeze on a busy street. Let's see the various reactions people have with a little help from some cayenne pepper. Achoo! Achoo! Sneezing! Achoo! Boy, that crazy transient was real hungry. I decided to get some exercise and speak to a real ear, nose, and throat doctor about my little theory. What exactly is a sneeze?
The sneeze is not defined very well medically. It's a collection of pressures that irritate sensitive tissues. If you look under a microscope, the tissue inside the nose, it's very much identical to the tissue inside the penis. Some people, when they get excited by sexual ideas, they sneeze.
So you can be sexually aroused, and that can cause you to sneeze.
Yeah, that can happen.
Therefore, wouldn't it be logical to form the conclusion that if you had a racist thought, that could manifest itself in a sneeze?
It's possible.
It's possible.
Where are we right now?
I'm right here.
What I mean is, sneezing at this moment can become very confusing. Suppose we're at a civil rights demonstration. It might go something like this.
Civil rights now. Civil rights now. Achoo!
Hey, this girl's a racist.
You should leave right now.
But I have a cold.
I'm not even trying to hear about that.
Freeze! So how would we spot the racist?
Civil rights
And would we all
now.
learn to tolerate
Civil
each other
rights
more,
now.
knowing that we all possess
Civil
these
rights
racist
now.
tendencies?
Civil rights
Or
now.
would the racists all go to a non-sneezy area like Alaska? Now let's check our answer box. What if sneezing was racist? Medical funding to cure allergies and the common cold skyrocket. And once again, racists will be able to hide their true beliefs at golf courses, Episcopalian potlucks, and Leonard Skinner cover band concerts. Good night, everybody. Oh, look, it's a Polish man.
Got some kielbasa just to show no hard feelings, you know?
Oh, great.
Dig in. Do you like it? You eat.
Got
Oh,
yourself.
you like.
Thank you for your kielbasa, Polish man.
Oh, I stuck it up my butt.
Dig in.